and I am Professor C.P. Akilan, founder and director of Marvel Educare and Akilan Institute. This is my 25th year in mathematics coaching in CBSE and JEE Main. Already I guided more than 15,000 students and produced all India ranks, state ranks and centums in board exams from our Marvel Educare. The top mark in NEET is 680 out of 720. She joined in this rank booster program in Marvel NEET coaching. This is our fourth batch. Fourth batch itself we produced this high mark, one of the best mark in NEET. So Akilan Institute is the only institute in Tamil Nadu produced 490 and above for the 6 consecutive years. We are the highest number of 490s in Tamil Nadu. This is my 25th year. The reason for this result, even though we are concentrating physics, chemistry, maths, biology year long, at the end of the year we are concentrating the other subject, and our Marvel team take care of other subject also, including English, second language, computer science, IT, all other subject faculties will come and clarify all the doubts to guide how to score maximum mark. Okay, that is the secret of this result, and we are the only institute in Tamil Nadu concentrating all the 5 subjects, also concentrating total, because these totals are very important for few deemed universities and top level engineering college. They are concentrating the 12th standard board marks for their engineering degree admissions. That's why we are concentrating all 5 subjects in our board exam coaching.